Ford announced plans to recall about 2,900 Ranger pickups from the 2006 model year due to faulty airbag inflators supplied by Takata. The recall adds urgency to an earlier announcement the company would repair the pickup for similar issues. Editor's note: the trucks pictured in this article are 2010 Rangers, which are similar to the recalled models. Unfortunately, the recall comes following 2 fatalities caused by rupturing airbag inflators. Ford was notified on December 22 of a crash in West Virginia that resulted in a fatality, and investigations revealed a ruptured Takata inflator that resulted in the driver's death. The other fatality was reported in January 2016, involving a truck with a ruptured inflator that was built by Takata on the same day as the one in the West Virginia crash. Ford is saddened by these tragic losses and offers its sincere condolences to the drivers' families, read a statement released by the company.